How to log in Bybit on your smartphone. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to log into your Bybit account but aren't sure where to begin, here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the Bybit application on your device, and once you open it up, you'll see this welcome screen. Click on the sign up/login button from the bottom of the screen and go ahead and tap on login now. On the next page, you can log in by entering your existing email or phone number, but make sure that you enter the credentials that you previously signed up with on Bybit. You can enter your email or phone number associated with your account. Go ahead, type it down and tap on next. If you've previously signed up with Google, Apple, or Telegram option, choose the same here. On the next page, if you've chosen the email or phone number option, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Go ahead and write down your password correctly, and if you don't remember the password, tap on having trouble logging in and follow through the instructions. If you've previously enabled passkey login, you can also tap on the login with passkey option to sign into your account. After entering your credentials correct, click login now. And if you've enabled two-factor authentication, you'll need to enter the code generated from your Google Authenticator or any other two-factor authentication mode you've chosen. Soon after you do that, you'll be logged into your Bybit account. So there you have it. That's how you sign in to your Bybit account in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.